Good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Hello, world. 7:03. 7:03, araw ng Biyernes, July 26, 2024. So for today's video, hindi ako nakapag-video last time kasi may bagyo. Hindi naman ako pumasok. Hindi napag-video that time. So ngayon, okay naman na. No more reasons not to take a video. Diba? So, activity ngayon. Sorry, medyo magulo. So, ang activity natin ngayon ay meron daw tayong dito meeting, staff meeting for the month of July. Second in line. First is yung post Karina disaster response meeting headed by Sir Bong Hilado. And second in line is yung sa akin about the digitalization updates. So, yeah. Meron man tayong ibibigay na update. Oops. Meron naman tayong ibibigay ng mga update. Yan. Meron kasi tayong tatlong major. 4 pa yata, 5. Let us see how it will go. And so mag-withdraw muna ako. Mag-withdraw muna tayo for today's video. Dito si GM. Pause ko muna itong video, no? Pause. Good morning, yeah. Pag-withdraw naman na tayo. Wala na kasi tayong panggas. Ito tayo ng panggas natin. So with regards to our report, the digitalization update, we have 5 modules na ongoing pa. I think 6 pa siya. So the remaining modules, the most important, is being addressed this week and mga sunod na araw. No. First is yung RPT. We have started the migration. So meron kami nakita 14k names of taxpayers. Doon sa 14,000 na yun, meron tayong duplicates. We have to validate those list muna sa No. I have to communicate first with the developers. And after our initial meeting, I think we can decide kung paano i-validate yun ng users. Either the users will validate it or or yeah, I think the users will validate it. And time is ticking. So after that validation, after that initial barangay, I think we can proceed with other barangays. So after ng RPT, we're on HRIS, Human Resource Information Systems. Currently ongoing na yung fingerprint namin, fingerprint registration. The following weeks we will be collaborating with the HR and at the same time with the accounting. Paano ang gagawin sa HR? We will get their leave credits. Yan, mga naipon nilang leave. And I think yun lang naman yun. Leave credits. Wala, hindi ko kasi alam yung terms sa HR. So, yun ang kukunin namin sa HR. Yung mga sinusweldo nila. Basic salary, step increments, yan. After that, proceed naman kami sa accounting for the payroll. Sa payroll naman, we will have to make sure that deductions and contributions are accurate. Magkakaroon kasi ng problema yan. Kaganyan. Sumisikat na si Haring Arrow. Nakakalimutan ko daan ng sinto. Anyway. And also the deductions, contributions, leave credits, salary grades, step increments. Their account numbers in GSIS, PhilHealth, mga ganyan. Kailangan namin din makuha the entirety of personnel information or employee information. So, yep. I think I have to make sure that ano din pala, included in yung fixed assets for the repairs. And yeah, RPT, HRIS, last is the accounting module. Kung saan yun yung JEV or journal entry voucher, no? Yung pagbabayaran na. Yan. Siyempre ipapasok sa accounting module yun. Pag nabayaran na, pagka na-record na, naitasan na, kumbaga nga, nakuha na siya, puproceed na sa treasurer's office. So we can we will start our migration na this week from January up to present na. Medyo marami yan. So, accounting module, HR module, RPT module. Oh, barangay clearance. Business permit sa barangay clearance. We are collecting barangay logos. After mga logo ng barangay, barangay chairman's signature. Yan. After naman nun, barangay clearance, traffic citation. Yeah, traffic. Yeah, traffic. So those are the updates in the digitalization. Pause ko muna. Someone's calling. Ayan. Hello? Hoping that magana pa siya. Ayan. So yeah. So that's the update sa ating system. But I will also add in the report our proposed projects, upcoming projects. First is yung meeting with the district LSP for the robotics. Kasi nakapag na ako eh. Yeah, yun nga, I will have to ask kailan yung meeting ng LSP for us to present our plans for the education sector in relation to ICT. Kasi last time nakapag meet na ako, nakapag meeting na ako online with the national organizing team. Organizing team ng robotics challenge. And I have to make sure na yung aming meeting is clearly relate sa DepEd, especially for the training. Usually daw the training will be during weekends kasi hindi daw pwede yung mga teachers na mag-train during weekdays. Yan. And also the microcontroller na gagamitin, we have to pay for it, or unless we have to rent it sa PRG, Pinoy Robotic Games. Marami nang papasok, marami nang papasok, marami nang papasok, marami nang papasok. And yung upcoming civil service month sa September, yung what do you call this, civil service month, I think meron kaming pa-training master class, and the what do you call this master class, basic PC repairs, networking, and digital local challenge. Kakaroon kami ng katuwaan lang din naman. Yung digital local challenge, it's their knowledge about the productivity tools, no? About Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Yan. Aside from that, yung typing master, mga ganyan, mabilis ang mag-type. Marami kaming idea na pwede rin naming ibaba sa schools. Hopefully mag-grant din naman. I think that's what I'm gonna present. Anyway, yeah, I think that's good for today. See you again next week. Tomorrow maglilikot ako sa Banatuan. Yeah, see you again tomorrow. I'm Oscar. This is Millennial Memo, personal stories of a millennial government employee living here in the province of Nueva Ecija. Peace.